Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Stellar or XLM. Wanted to do a full update on the current situation. I haven't covered XLM in some time, but I know quite a few of you are interested in the project and the price action. So wanted to give you my thoughts on the current situation, what's going on, what to expect, and just in general everything around that. All right, so that's what we'll do. So let's get started with it. First of all, two things. Or at least I think there's two major things we need to talk about with XLM right now. While I'm adding a key level that I missed, or at least I think it adds some context. First of all, technically XLM is bearish, all right, and that's not great, but it is just what it is. I mean, you can see we were still holding a consolidation fairly well. Back in December and even in February that still was defended right here, right? So we had some sort of a consolidation like this, but unfortunately, especially with the two rejections we had the 15th of February and last week the 3rd of March with the announcement of the crypto reserve, we rejected, or at least we confirmed, the bearish breakdown and a structure shift. And you can see right now we actually did that again, unfortunately, with the bearish pressure we had since Friday going into yesterday, because I mean we've had red candles basically since Thursday. This is the daily time frame that we are looking at. So XLM just technically is bearish. Now that doesn't resemble any of my thoughts on XLM. All right, I still think that since November XLM is one of the best performers, and that's also statistically true. We are still, from the bottom side here, we're still up about 3x, so that's amazing. And then outside of that, I think XLM is also one of the coins that can actually recover from this. Now, the sad part is, outside of the technicals being bearish, and the second thing I wanted to talk about is the relation between XLM and XRP, because XRP and XLM obviously used to be super correlated. In November and December, they rallied together a huge amount of times. But already back in December and January, we already saw that XLM became weaker than XRP. And that has basically continued. And they have basically decoupled for a large extent. I still think at some point of time, XRP will get a massive rally, a massive bump somewhere in 2025. And I do think XLM will move together with it, right? So I still think for XLM indirectly, in 2025, we will have a major fundamental catalyst that will push the price up. But unfortunately, the strength that we're seeing from XRP right now, especially over the last 3 months, we're not seeing that from XLM. And that pushed us down below our last support level right here at 30 cents. Big psychological, but also technical support level, down to this next support level at 25 cents. And now the question is as well, can we actually get some more strength from here? And unfortunately, for now, I have to give you the answer no. I think it's quite likely that this is a strong bottom, a strong support level, and a strong market bottom. So I do expect some more bullish momentum from here, but ultimately I don't see enough reason yet to suspect that an altcoin like XLM is going to be able to reclaim such a strong resistance level such as 30 and 31 cents, which we do need to do if we want to turn bullish. So I think it's more likely that this is a local bottom and we'll find some strength from it, but that ultimately we will consolidate, and at some point of time that we will drop down lower still towards that next support level at 20 cents. Well, yeah, mostly around 20 cents, but it drops down all the way to this level here at 17.5, which, by the way, I do think is a buy opportunity, at least short term, but that's an amazing technical support level. So for now, this is what I would expect on XLM given the market circumstances. If the market circumstances change, I'll be the first to tell you that we are going to be able to break above 30 and 31 cents, and we are going to be able to start up some sort of a new uptrend. And in general, I'll keep my eyes on that. But for now, unfortunately, there's no indication of that yet. So those are my thoughts. That sort of thing you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.